NDT, Natural Drug Technology is there. In this one, we are going to study the first one chapter, that is the traditional system of medicine. Friends, you know that we are going to take the medicines. Yes, to cure. When you have to be suffer by any type of the disease, any sign and symptoms are there. For the curation of such type of the disease or such type of the symptoms, or to diagnose any type of the disease, you are going to take medicines. In on the earth, it is not like that any one person is there who is a healthy one, and though he is taking the medicine, not like that. If any one person is suffer by any type of the disease, to cure this one disease or to remove this one disease, he or she is going to take the medicine to have a healthy life. So we are going to use different terms are there that we are going to use this one in case of the medicines, such as the tablet, capsules are there for the allopathy, then injections are there, parentals are there, likewise this one. For Ayurveda, the different type of the terms are there, that is Vati, Gutika, Leha, Malam, likewise the terms are there. How these terms are there that are come, how these terms are there that are to be utilized. Yeah, these terms are there, the name itself indicate you that is a traditional system, means from the ancient time our ancestors are there that are utilizing to cure disease or the symptoms of the disease. That is nothing but your traditional system of medicines. Now here I show you, this is the one diagram is like there is there, the rishis are there that are going to give this one knowledge to this one particular persons, or these are the some disease persons are there that take this one particular medicine. Then here some of the medicines are there, that is uh, Ayurvedic is there, or Unani is there, homeopathy is there, that like what the systems are there, and these are the research are there is to be carried out to synthesize the medicine by the chemical reaction. Likewise, now here you have gone through the term that is a Ayush. You know that what is Ayush? This is the one of the term is there where there is a combination of all the terms are there. Different type of the medicinal systems are there which are to be used by the different type of the religions are there. These peoples are there that are utilizing such type of the medicines are there, and depends on that. Ayush is the one that term is comes. Let's see one by one. What is Ayush? A. That is what is A? You know that what is the type of the system that is we started from this one A? Allopathy? No, though allopathy, but in this case, that is a traditional system. So that comes, that is a Ayurveda is there, where the our Rishimunis are there that are utilizing this one type of the roots, rhizome, then various type of the parts are there, barks are there, then that leaves are there, fruits are there that are utilized for the preparation of the medicine. That is the Ayurveda. So A is there, that is the Ayurveda. That is the first one letter from the Ayush is Ayurveda. Then only the medicine is there that is sufficient to cure the disease? No. To have a healthy life, you must have to perform certain exercise. So the word come, that is a why. What that indicate why? Why is nothing but is your yoga. Means you have to perform exercise early in the morning at least 30 minutes daily to have a healthy life. So why is nothing but your yoga. You is nothing but what? You is nothing but a system of medicines as per the religions. Mostly in case of the Muslim, the peoples are there that are utilizing this type of the medicine, that is a Unani type of the medicines are there that is preferred. Not only every one person can use this one type of the system of medicine, that is a Unani system. Then S is nothing but your Siddha. You have to be heard the different type of the treatments are there that are to be given. This Siddhi. In Marathi also we can say that these peoples are there that are having Siddhi. They are acquired Siddhi. That is some of the medicines are there that is also acquired Siddhi. Means some medicines are there that have to be collected from the plant at a particular season, particular time, that medicines are there that are to be collected. But before collection of this one medicine, the prayer has to be done So the all the properties or the chemical components which are to be required, that are to be present in that one particular treatment, so that one we call it as a siddha, that is a siddhi medicines are there, or some peoples are there that are to be acquired, stimulate there, the five centers are there which are to be present in our body, that are to be stimulated, that is nothing but your siddha, and we call it as a siddha purush, that is a siddha is there, and this is the term that is the ayush. Yes, H is there is to be remain. What is that H which is to be remain? Yes, H is nothing but is a homeopathy. Nowadays you have to be taken some medicines are there, where the small pills are there which are to be present, uh, and to that one the some of the chemicals are there that will be added and shaking, and physician asks you just to take this one medicine without touching to the hand directly into the mouth. That that is nothing but is your homeopathy is there, means just to remove the thorn by using thorn. The in this case, such type of treatments are there that are to be given. Now let's see one by one. I hope you heard understand the word that is a ayush. These are the contents are there that we have to be studied in case of this one. Now, introduction. In the Indian system of medicine is a cumulative of the Indian thoughts of the medicines. Means what are the Indian systems are there? In that Indian system, various scientists are there, various our ancestors are there that are to be involved. They have to prepare their formulation. Some of the drugs are there. They have prepared the books. And the list of the drugs are there that are to be mentioned. Along with that, what is the property of the drugs are there, and thoughts of that one. So all these are there that are mentioned in this one case, and that represents a way of healthy life. Means by utilizing this one particular medicine, you have live a healthy life without having any type of the disease for a long time, as a cultural history. So for this one purpose, our ancestors mentioned the different type of the drugs, their properties, their uses, along with that one, where these drugs are there that are offered, in which reason that drugs are there that are acquired. Likewise, the information is there that is you mentioned in case of this one books. It also integrates the best of the impact that comes from the civilization which are as in this one term. Up till now we have to be gone through the different type of the term, that is a botanical uses are there, then this is a Greek word is there, this is German words is there. Likewise, the different system of the medicines are there that are to be studied. Greece, that is resulting in the Unani medicine, means what is the Greece word is there that indicate that the Unani medicines are there. Then Germany, mostly the homeopathy medicines are there that are prepared. Our sage, which gives the science of Ayurveda, Siddha as a yoga, and naturopathy, means our sage, our ancestors are there that are giving the science of the Ayurveda, Siddha, and yoga, and the naturopathy. The introduction of this one, like the multiple dimensions, the cultures in the country, as in India, the variety of the peoples are there, or different type of the religious peoples are there that are to be present, and they have to perform their different behaviors, means to celebrate their different type of the season, different type of the foods are there that are to be consumed as per their requirement, as per the season. There are different type of the choices are there that are to be found in case of this one. They like the multi-dimensional cultures in our country. The traditional medicines have evolved over the centuries, based with the excess of the traditional medicines as well as the practice. Means from the ancient time, the medicines are there that are to be utilized. How to prepare this one medicine? Different type of the systems are there that are to be present. Just like the preparation of the vati, gutika, that are to be required some of the different type of the process are there, whereas the Asava, Arista, that requires some of the different type of the process are there which should be required in case of this one. So all these things are there that are taken into the consideration. Now Ayurveda. Now Ayurveda is a classical term system with the care originating from the Vedas. That Ayurveda, the name in that one particular name Veda. The Ayurveda, Ayu and Veda means that from the Vedic period of time, the system of the medicine is there that is we utilize. That is nothing but your Ayurveda that is we documented near about 5,000 years ago. The system of the medicine is there that is started, and then all these documented processes are there that are to be mentioned in case of the Ayurveda. And near about 1000 backwards, and the knowledge of the Ayurveda was the first comprehensively documented in the Compendia called, means a particular book is there in which all these drugs, means near about 800 number of the drugs are there that are mentioned along with the different type of the diseases in which such drugs are there that are to be utilized, that are mentioned in a book that is known as a Compendia. And this book is there that is named by a Charak Samhita and Shushruta Samhita. These are the two books are